So here we are to the third part of the video. We go to the third legendary duelist. Let's open, let's see if we find out the Kaiba Corporation dice. Not here. No, 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 no. No, 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 and no. Incredible. Free display, anyone. So let's open. So actually, I want to show you the. I don't find out the dice right now when I open those 3 boxes, because I didn't want to show the 5 boxes that the 5 display that I already buy, because actually I bought 5, and I mean it was just in order to have some you know, some ratio. And before, incredibly, I found out 2 dice of Kaiba. One each in each display, and here we are. And that's why I was saying you can find out one of these in each display, because I opened 2 display and I found out 2, and I found out also one in one I found out 2 Abyss, and in another one I found out 2 what's called the Photon Dragon. So I was thinking about that they are not so rare in the Kaiba Corporation, the secret rare. But right now I can say that actually it's very rare, the Kaiba Corporation dice, because I didn't find out completely. So this time let's do in this way. Let's open and see the secret rare at the end. So here we have those 2. Another little tiger. Let's see here. Alternative dice, alternative dragon dice. And at the end I will show all the secrets that I got also in the other 2 displays that I already opened, in order to see and try to understand what is the ratio of those cards. But I understand that in 5 display it's not, you cannot for real count the ratio, because as I said before, the Kaiba Corporation was 1 for each display. Now I just found out just 2 in 5 displays. So, and I mean, in European edition it's very rare, very easy to pull, because you can already saw it. So maybe people can just go in the shop and buy the Kaiba Corporation dice if they are fancy, because I mean it's not, it's cool of course, but the blue eyes dice, for me it's the best. Focus on. Okay. Didn't focus on actually. Okay. For me this one is the best dice. Little tiger, it's cool. The alternative is so disgusting. The RP ladies, it's also cool. So on the alternative, didn't focus. So all the secret at the end. Hope that I will find 2 Abyss Dragon. So the things of the dice, it's kinda bad for me because I do a video of the dice of the free display and didn't get any Kaiba, and now, and before that I didn't film it, I find out the two Kaiba Corporation dice. Incredible. Green, blue and gold. Green, blue and gold again. Purple, blue and gold. Gray, purple and gold. Churacle, green, blue and gold. Green, violet and green, purple and gold. Green, purple and gold. Green, blue, gold. Green, purple and gold. But green, sage, violet and gold is not focus actually. Purple, blue and gold. Purple, blue and gold. Incredible. The cards are always in couple and different color. Not always, but almost. Purple, blue and gold. Purple, blue and gold. Green, purple and gold. And that's still the last pack. Green, blue and gold. Oh, I made a mistake. So let's see what we have here quickly. So here we go. That's knight. Blue, gold. Purple, purple. Blue, gold. Blue, gold. Purple, blue, gold. Purple, blue, gold, green. Purple, gold, green. Purple, gold, green. Cool. Blue, gold, green. purple, gold, green, purple. So I know the color. That's cool. I can repeat the elementary school in England with my English, and I know the color, so I can pass the first class at least. Okay, so let's see what we got in secret. Ah, bellissimo. Abyss, good. Ooh la la! Afterglow, Garden, Urgent Schedule, good. Another Afterglow. It's not so hard to pull it actually. Garden, Bingo Machine, and Parfum. So let's see what we got all in all the 5 display. I will sum up very quickly. I will just divide as quickly as possible, sorry. So basically those are 40 boxes. Let's see what we got. I mean, the monsters are the most expensive, so let's see the later. We got just 3 Lib, 4 Black Cows, just 2 Urgent Schedule, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bingo Machine. So for now, Urgent Schedule we can consider kinda short print, but of course it's not true, because in the case it's I didn't buy 100 cases. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Maiden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 5 black full armor master, but 3 just for one display. Incredible. And talking about the monster, let's see what we got here. Let's show before the less too expensive monster that we had. So we had so far 3 Parfum Lady. That's cool, I will put in my RPA deck. 3 Orbital, that will rise up a lot in price. We got we got 5 of the Afterglow that actually are €10 each, and this means that those 5 are paying 5 bucks, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are, they will reach soon €20 each, so they are paying 10 bucks. So just for those Abyss and Afterglow, I already paid 15 bucks, half of the display. Of course we got all the other secrets that will go up in price. We got all the ultras, we got also 2 Kyber Corporation dice that I don't know how much they are worthy, but they are cool, I will keep it. So I suggest to buy this set because it's very good in terms of value. You will have a lot of value back for all the Blue Eyes card Dragon card, that they will go up, always up. In general, if you just pull in one box, you pull one of these, you just already paid 2 boxes, so you can just sell this and buy 2 other boxes, and maybe you can find out another one of this and repeat the process. And yeah, I think that it's a very good box, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and see you next time.